In the event that you do have trouble engaging the second side of the side spline, what you can do is, you've got one side engaged, I think this will work, take it down just enough that I can get the bottom bar out, and you'll have two offcuts for every blind of the Slidetrack. So what you can do is put one of those on there like this. And then actually use that as a lever just to stretch it a millimetre or two, especially on a long blind if it's a little bit sticky in the bottom, and that will just give you that extra millimetre or two over the side, which will make it easier to put back in. So let's just do that now. Over the stops. And that's it. Now we take it down to the bottom and make sure that the blind is centralised on the top tube.